So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to redeem Swagbucks for a Starbucks gift card here on the Swagbucks application. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom right and press on the three dots or the more icon. Then go to the top left where it says Redeem SB. Press on that. On this page, if you want to get a Starbucks gift card, just scroll down to where it says All Rewards here. And for me right now, it says Starbucks gift card. I will go ahead and press that. Once you're here, you can actually see how much you're going to need to redeem for a gift card. So in my case, to get a $25 gift card to Starbucks, you're going to need a minimum of 2,000 Swagbucks. And if you have that, you can go ahead and select it and make the transaction that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can redeem Swagbucks for a Starbucks gift card here on the Swagbucks application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.